Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Shogun. It's about 11:40 in the morning. So we just got Adam's GTR over here. This car is going for a car wash, and we just applied the brake dust remover. So you can see brake dust is coming off from the wheel, and color turned into black and purple. So it's a chemical reacting to the brake dust, so it dissolves the brake dust. For us, it's gonna clean and wash easier. So yeah, it looks pretty clean already. And this car already got a coating on. Japanese brand glass coating, and we're gonna wash this and follow us on the journey. We got our boys in here in the office, Shogun and Jake. They're working on the invoices for order and stuff. Good morning, everybody. Ohayo gozaimasu. So yeah, follow us. We're gonna prep this R33 because this car is going on the GTR Fest over the weekend. I think it's on Saturday in Fuji. So this car is going to be clean and detailed, inside, outside, everything. We'll prep this car for the GTR Fest. Hi guys, welcome back. So the GTR 33 is basically finished, and we did it with wax shampoo, and also we washed it, cleaned it, dried it, then we detailed the wheels too. The wheels are actually coated by us with G-Technique wheels product, wheel armor, so it's actually really stiff coating, and all the brake dust is just going off like really easy, and right now it's like clean, and all the corners too. And we did the tire shine on the wheels. This car will be on the GTR Fest on the Sunday this week, so owner Adam wanted to have it like detailed, clean, and it looks shiny. It looks fantastic right now. We did the interior vacuum too. We also use alcohol wipes to disinfect the interior, so you know, Corona season, just make it clean. So here are some detailed shots of the interior. Take a look. The chassis refreshment in Prince Tokyo Motorsports, which is the Nissan dealership, Shinagawa.
This was like when I bought the car. Hold on. That's when I first bought the car, so it looked very different. So there's the seats.
Yeah.
I put the stock, by this. Yeah. I basically bought a modified car that I demodified.
Exactly. That's a pain in the ass, right? Demodifying a car.
Yeah. So like, look at that. When I bought it, there was like,
like
blue and green and white and this and this,
Yeah.
So then I went to.
Is that yours?
Mines. Yeah. This is like what I did, right? So I put the suspension, all-ins, and the new exhaust, so quieter exhaust. I went for the tuning stuff, so to Mines, and so turbos and all the fueling, the injectors
too.
The airflow meters, the fuel pump, the computer, and the turbos was all done at Mines. The radiator and intercooler was already done, and the cams, the Tomei cams was already done. So then they Mines tuned it
with lines.
Yeah. So that was the part, and then so that's what the body used to look like. I had a top secret front bumper and this vented hood, and then like that. And then I did. Then I took it to this shop he's also a GTR specialist, Kanazawa Body Repair. And there, I took a stock front bumper, and this R34 is a vent on the side.
On the side, yeah.
On that side. But look at so I asked him to do this, right? Because the stock is like that, and usually they just stick it on. So they cut it out and they just.
Oh.
And I said,
wow,
can you like
it.
blend it, mold it in, right? So then
yeah.
he like molded it in.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
a lot of work.
Then the rest. So then he basically took everything off the car, right? Then I had like a bonnet pin holes here. You can see like there. That was like rusted and stuff like that.
Damn.
Then I had underneath. This is a common thing with GTRs. People crunch the seals there. So he cut out those parts and
How do they
straighten
get
it.
crunched from the jacks?
Yeah,
Jacks,
people
usually.
don't use they don't use this special
round
rubber
round.
thing.
Yeah.
So then it gets crushed. No, but he took like everything off, and I just said, just go like hunting for rust.
Oh, so you repolished the headlights.
Yeah, repolished and put protective film, so it's
Oh, looks
PPF.
amazing. Yeah.
Yeah, then he was like taking all the panels off, looking for anywhere where there's rust. In all the chassis rails and underneath the panels and stuff, spraying anti-rust treatment, and then getting rid of basically rust wherever there is any dents. I had like little dings and dents on the body, and then repainting everything. And the other thing is he fitted the R34 GTR badge.
Oh, okay.
So like what's on Michael's car.
Yeah, right.
It's the R33, 34 one. Sorry, R35.
Fives, yeah.
Yeah, R33, 34 is a different color.
Yeah.
But this one
It's
has,
more like
it's like a pearly
pearl
red.
red. Yeah, it looks so good.
Yeah.